हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू योर ओन यूट्यूब चैनल योर ओन पाठशाला ज्योतिशाला। तो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सभी? आशा करती हूँ आप सभी अच्छे ही होंगे और अपनी पढ़ाई ज़ोर शोर से कर रहे होंगे। आईसीएसई एग्ज़ाम्स आज फर्स्ट डे था आईसीएसई एग्ज़ाम का और टुडे वाज द इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज पेपर एंड ऑल ऑफ यू हैव गिवन द पेपर very well and very good. The paper was quite easy because you have practiced a lot and actually the paper was quite easy. So the students whom I was guiding throughout the preparation of the board exam ICSE, they've sent me the question paper and I have worked out the answers of the grammar part. Hope all of you must have done your essay, letter, email writing and notice writing as well as the comprehension very well. So let me just discuss and post. I thought when I was discussing it with my students here at my Jyotishala classes, so I thought why not to share it with my YouTube audience as well, those who are enrolled in ICSE and they have given their board exams. Let me also brief you with the answers. So coming to the preposition, the tense part, the tense paragraph, that is, the first one is glided. I'm just reading out the answers and I hope you have the question paper and you can match along with it. Excuse me. The first one is glided, the second one is held, the third one is stopped, the fourth one is run, the fifth is frightened, the sixth is went, the seventh is kept and the eighth is disappeared. Coming to the preposition part, choose the correct word. The first one is to, the second one is by, the third one, that is the C one, is in, the fourth one is on, the fifth one, that is E, is since. Come inside, since. The sixth one is through, that is the F one, the G one is beyond and the H one is before. Coming to the next part where you don't have to use but, so and because. Here the first one is 1 ka B, 2 ka B, 3 ka C and 4 ka A. Coming to the 8 marks one where you have to choose the correct option out of the 4. The first one is 1 ka A, 2 ka C, 3 ka A, 4 ka C, 5 ka A, 6 ka D, 7 ka B and 8 ka C. I hope my answers match with yours and do let me know in the comment section if there is difference in the answers. See you soon in the next video and best of luck for your upcoming English literature exam. Hope you are doing well and hope you are doing well in your for your exam. You're preparing for your exam and this is what I prepared the answers and do let me know in the comment section if it matches with mine or if there is any difference in the answers. See you in the next video. Till then, क्योंकि पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया. Bye bye.